squares. Shoot! This one is the bestest finger puppet in the world. You. Alright, differences of two squares. Objective, to simplify products to factor or differences of two squares. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, two squares. Square and a square. And I'm not kidding when I say that, I really am. Now, observations. They were made in the last video, but we can make more now. It's not, we don't have to stop making observations because we're on a new video. We're going to just keep on observing forever. So let's do something. Let's just do the old school distribution. I'm going to do x times x to get my x squared. X times negative y, negative xy. Watch it from positive xy, negative y squared. Oh, what happens to my middle terms? They seem to just cancel each other out. I end up with x squared minus y squared. It's a difference. See, subtraction of what? That's a square. That's x times x. That's another square. Y times y. Oh my God. It's a difference of two squares. That's exactly what we're talking about. Dude, this is what's awesome about the difference of two squares. The middle term cancels out. So you see plus y, then, something plus something, so that same thing minus something. What happens, you know it's going to be just this thing squared minus this thing squared. That thing squared minus that squared. Always. So you can kind of just do it out, man, just by looking at it. I mean, you can just, if this is true, then isn't this simply just 5 squared minus 3 squared? Yeah, 25 minus 9, isn't it just 16? Yeah, double check. 5 plus 3, 8, times 2 is 16? Yeah. Isn't this going to be just this squared minus this squared? Yeah, so I just square this, 36x squared, and I square this difference of minus 4. Is that how it's going to be? Well, let's double check. 36x squared minus 12x plus 12x minus 4. Yes. Works. So it can work on crazy ones. Like this is a crazy one. But if I make the observation that there's a minus and a plus, these two terms are identical. These are identical, right? The only difference between these two parts of this product is this minus and this plus. It's the only difference. So I know I've got a difference of two squares I'm going to end up with. The first guy squared, which is x